Hello, everybody. My name is Jeremy Zimmerman, and I am currently a student here at Mesa in my first year of college. I chose to come to Mesa because I've heard nothing but great reviews about the campus and especially the professors, so I thought I might as well just stay home for an extra 2 years and save some money in the process, which is always great. Now, I haven't chosen a career path just yet, but I am majoring in business, so hopefully through that I can start doing some financial studies and hopefully I can end up in some sort of financial firm or become a commercial broker, which would be amazing. I think that's a fantastic career, and hopefully I'll be able to graduate and start studying finance and get that job, hopefully. Now, moving from career, I am actually a sibling of four. I have two sisters and one brother, but personally, I only want 1 to 2 kids. I think anything above two is just way too loud and way too expensive and something that I'm just not personally interested in at the moment. Now, something special about me that a lot of people say actually is I'm very good at painting. I can do some oil paint pretty well, which I learned just this past year actually. And I also taught myself some piano just through YouTube videos actually. I haven't had any type of lessons or anything. I just taught myself through watching videos and I can play some songs pretty good actually. I can play Still Dre on the piano, which is obviously like the most common song, but it's still pretty impressive. And I can play Runaway, which is also the most common song, but it's still a pretty good song in my opinion. So if you ask me who I admire most, I would obviously say my parents. They're just a great role model to me and they always look out for me and make sure that I am doing my best and putting out my best for everyone else. Now, a philosophy that I look through in life is treat others how you would like to be treated. So whenever I have the chance, I always talk to people with respect and be kind to them because ultimately that's how they would talk to me. And obviously, everyone wants to be treated with respect. So I think that if you show them that respect first, then they're obligated to show it back to you. And with all that said, I think that about wraps up my summary about myself here. If you have any questions about me that you want to ask, just go ahead and ask me in class and I will be happy to answer them for you. But for now, thanks for watching and can't wait to see you guys later.